Welcome back to the early morning briefing. It is the 27th of March. It is 6:51 in the morning, so very early. Waiting for London to open. And I just want to go over a few trading opportunities which I've just posted into the Forex Signal group. But before I do, let me just confirm there's no news today, so you can trade freely. But of course, with no news out, what sometimes happens is there's low volume as well, so low volatility. In terms of news for the next few days, 28th, Thursday, there's GDP, which is massive, and that comes out at 12:30. And then on Friday, we've got the big one called inflation figures, 12:30. So what I'm going to do is set up live Forex trading and coaching for news events. I think that's probably the best way to do it, because we can actually see the live markets as they happen, see what the reaction is, and see if there's any trading opportunities live. So what I'll do, I'll set up the live sessions 10 minutes before the news events, and I'll pre-plan them. So I'll give you the notice a few days before, and you can log in and register, etc. So you're ready. So 12:20, I'll set this one up for tomorrow, and then on Friday at 12:20, I'll do another one for the core inflation figures. In terms of gold, flat as a pancake. Congratulations yesterday, guys. What an amazing day. We had two clear outside bars, and these are fantastic ways to trade reversals or corrections. And we had a great long trade up to here, so there's about 150 pips there, and then another 150 pips on the way down. So fantastic moves. And another outside bar here, if you can see that, another one there. So look out for those, they are fantastic. Flat today so far. It looks like it wants to go up, but the DXY is getting stronger as well. So there's a bit of a non-event so far in terms of gold. On to intraday settings. I'll be doing the full analysis, of course, this afternoon for members using the Advanced Pro charts for long-term trends. However, intraday charts are looking okay, looking actually fantastic, and I've seen for a long time, even though there's low volumes at the moment, Euro-dollar 108.29, flat as a pancake. But the rules apply in terms of the intraday, below the central pivot, below the moving averages, and we have a nice sell and after negative divergence as well. So we do expect further downside momentum to continue with this. As long as it stays below the 108.42, expect lower prices in the next few hours. Similar situation for the pound USD. As long as the price remains below 126.42, then we can expect the price to move down to 125.63. Congratulations, overnight you banked another 5%. If you're risking 2%, if you're risking more, then happy days, you had a nice profit while you sleep, and that's the best way. We've got a lovely swing low here, have you noticed that? So this is tradable event. US Swiss continues up. Congratulations yesterday on the profits yesterday. 90.30 hit our target, lovely. Took a while, but nonetheless, doesn't matter how long it takes, does it? The Kiwi is looking good for a sell. The dollar is going higher, 104.34. So that indicates that it's moving up above the support area now. So that indicates that there's going to be a stronger dollar, which will drive these prices lower. And we have a lovely swing high here as well. So as long as the price stays below 60.11, then we can expect the price to go down to 59.48. US Canadian looking good, and lovely intraday trade here, lovely swing low on a support area. So as long as the price remains above, can't see that, 135.73, then of course it will go up to 136.45. The yens are all a bit quiet, So the euro yen's looking okay, lovely swing low here. So we do expect price to go up to 164.65 in the next few hours. Might take a while if volumes remain low, 163. As long as the price heads above 164.17, sitting on it right now. The Swiss have done brilliantly, haven't they, in the last few days? They're having a bit of a rest now, but we're still in the pound Swiss, so we do expect it to go to 145.57. And as long as the price remains above 138.22. Canadian Swiss, we've got a fresh buy signal, even though it's quiet. So if you want to trade that, you can. As long as the price remains above 66.35, it's going to go to 66.76. That's our target from yesterday. In profit, doing very nicely, thank you. Euro Swiss, not ready, as you can see. So we just throw that one away as an intraday trade. This one is ready. Aussie Swiss, if you want to continue that. Now, for me, personally, if I've got a trade on and I'm not at zero risk, then I'm not going to trade it again. I'm just going to wait for it to bank that. I've got quite a few positions open, so I don't really want to overload my positions. Just let this one go to target of 59.36. As long as the price remains above 58.90, then of course we can expect it to go to 59.39. Similar situation with the New Zealand Swiss. It does exactly the same as the Aussie Swiss, so just be aware of that. Further upside momentum is likely in the next few hours, as long as it stays above 54.14. Then we can expect it to go to 54.80, and I'll throw the target in. This comes to my email, and I will throw that in to let you know how we're doing. That's it pretty much for intraday. It looks like volumes are low so far. And don't forget, look out for the live Forex and gold trading sessions. And they're going to coincide with live news events, which seems to make sense. Hopefully that suits you. If it doesn't, let me know. And if you want me to do a live session for any particular purpose. Now, the other thing to mention in terms of the live session, I've sussed out the software a little bit more. We can now open all the charts, so we can actually talk about price action charts. We can talk about divergence. We can talk about anything you want to talk about. We can talk about the advanced pro charts, the oil software, the gold software live, so that you can learn more and hopefully, even put a trade on. Yesterday's live session was quiet, but despite that, you banked 50 pips. So if you're one lot, you've made $500. So despite the £5 entry, hopefully you'll make a few quid on the way.